is this thing called? What is the Igbo name?
Ede and Cocoyam.
Ede. Say Ede.
Ede.
Good. What is the English name? Cocoyam.
But that is the book.
Morning light through the window shines. Little voices and laughter intertwines. Every moment a story we've grown. Living this journey with Nancy on. Through the joy and the sleepless nights, through the struggles we find the light. This is our love, this is our home. Motherhood's heart where dreams are sown. Family and faith, together we've grown. Living inspired with Nancy on. Tiny hands reaching out for me, building memories endlessly. Step by step, we're never alone. Strength in the story of Nancy on. Through the joy and the sleepless nights, through the struggles we find a light. Through the struggles we find a light. Through the joy and the sleepless nights, through the struggles we find a light. This is our love, this is our home. Motherhood's heart where dreams are sown. Family and faith, together we've grown. Living inspired with Nancy on. With Nancy on. Sunny smile tells the world we're blessed. Every tear still brings hope and rest. Through the seasons our love has shown, guiding the way with Nancy on. This is our love, this is our home. Motherhood's heart where dreams are sown. Family and faith, together we've grown. We're living inspired with Nancy on. Calm as the morning, strong as the stone. This is our journey with Nancy on. This is our love, this is our home. Motherhood's heart where dreams are sown. Family and faith, together we've grown. Forever inspired with Nancy on. Oh, ever inspired.
Go this way. Look at the sand. Mommy will tell you to go out. Hold it if you want.
My turn. My turn. Yes. No, my turn. No, my take. Take. Remember, pound it. Hold it. No, no, friend. My turn. Hard.
What is that?
I am pound it.
It's good.
Pound it. You pounding it.
What is this thing called? This is called Ede.
Mama, look.
Yes, this is Cocoyam.
Look, Cocoyam. Mama,
Yes.
so my turn. Okay?
We use this
Like
to,
this.
are you hearing what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We use this to eat sebo.
Cocoyam.
Yes, this is
Cocoyam.
not Eden.
Norma.
Ede.
Norma.
Yes.
Cocoyam.
Jody, can you hear what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes.
What is this thing called? What is this thing? What is the Igbo name?
Ede and Cocoyam.
Ede. Say Ede.
Ede.
Good. What is the English name?
Norma.
Cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
Yes.
Norma. Norma. Norma being Ede. I know. No, we're helping Norma.
Norma,
I know.
let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Look, Norma, look, Mom bring this one, and you ask my Mom is on my turn. My turn, Mom bring it all, and your turn like this. Look.
Look at it.
Okay.
But not like that. I like you. I think.
Okay, I'm supposed to cook it after this thing. I'll cook the meat.
Mom, my Nina don't know this one.
And that is when Nigeria is good. You will learn everything here.
Everyone talk Igbo.
Here?
Yeah, everyone talk Igbo. Mimi don't know what he said.
But your mom is here to help you. Because mommy know Igbo. You know, in Israel,
Yeah.
mommy did not know Hebrew. But here, mommy is going to help you in everything. Because I know, mommy know Igbo Nakon. I speak Igbo, so I know Igbo.
You don't know crawl.
Mama.
You don't know to crawl.
To crawl? What does it mean to crawl?
The book.
Like this, and we say like this. A, B.
I know it. Is it because Teacher Precious is teaching you?
No, my Nina teach me.
No, that is what I'm saying. Now that you are in Nigeria, you see, you have lesson teacher. Mommy, I'm paying Teacher Precious.
Mama.
You understand me?
Mama, you know you read?
I don't know if it's very well.
Mama.
Only mommy know Igbo and English.
Mommy know Igbo and English.
Mhm.
And that is why you don't need to. In the school, you speak English in the school. But here, there is common. At home, you speak Igbo. You can speak Igbo for me at home. But in the school, you can speak English. Alright? Mommy know all of them. And that is why you are here, so you can learn it.
Mommy know read and English.
Yes, I know you know it.
No, Norma don't know Hebrew.
Yeah, Mama did not go to school in Israel. I'm going to start school for her here. Okay?
Mommy know everything.
Who is here to help you with everything now?
My turn.
Mommy.
Wait, your baby shaking. I saw it. Stop it.
I'm putting.
What this?
So it will not be drawing too much.
Make sure to everyone to TikTok.
It's YouTube.
Everyone come on your home.
Everyone come at home.
Where's your home?
Where's your home? Stop.
Don't raise it up too much.
Noma found.
It's sticky. What is sticky?
Come help Noma. Yeah, Jackie help you. No, do has that.
Okay.
Yeah, come.
Baby, the dog come here. Go on here.
This one all this is your home.
We have egg. We don't have egg.
Look, you have two. This is L for me.
Go and two.
Oh yeah, B.
Why get two?
But this is no. This is let's bit. Bit down one.
The egg. Give me. What did Noma? Where's my arm?
The M. Look, this one mine because this one is like this. Yeah, this one. Yay! And one. We need 8 more. And 3 minutes. 9 and 9 and 10 and 10. What is it?
This is
Okay.
seasoning cube.
It's seasoning too.
Yes. This is
No, it's
seasoning
here.
cube.
I want to put it like that. I choose everyone. I choose.
This one.
Which one?
Through the joy
You
and
come
the
here.
sleep.
Wait, 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 wait. I'm going this way.